MMPH1 Organizational Theory and Design. This is a course that analyzes classical to contemporary organizational structures, job and work design, culture, and their fit in modern settings. This course is part of the third semester and therefore it is relevant for students pursuing the HRM specialization. It has 11 units that are divided into 5 blocks, but not all parts of the syllabus carry the same weight in the exam. In this video, I will be walking you through the most important units and sections of MMPH1 so that you can focus your efforts where they matter the most. We will start with the most important units and sections first, followed by the medium and the low priority ones. So coming to the high priority units, they are unit number 2, unit number 6, unit number 5 as well as unit number 8. In unit 2, theoretical frameworks from block number 1 at least focus on 2.2. From unit 5, factors affecting organizational structures at least focus on 5.4, 5.6 and 5.7. From unit 6, topology of organizational design, most sections are important. So sections from 6.2 through 6.8, then 6.11, 6.14, 6.15, 6.16. All of these are important. Unit 8, approaches to job design. In this 8.1, 8.4, 8.6, 8.7, 8.9 and 8.11. These are important. Then coming to the medium importance units and sections. Unit number 3, 4 and 9 are medium importance units. In unit 3, 3.2, 3.4 and 3.5 has had the most number of questions coming. From unit 4, I unfortunately cannot narrow down the sections. All sections are important. From unit 9, you can focus most on 9.2, 9.3 and 9.4. This is from where most questions have come up so far. Now coming to the low importance units. All the other units are of low importance. Unit 1, from here 1.3 and 1.4 are the sections from where questions have been asked frequently. From unit 7, it is 7.4. From unit 10, it is 10.2 and 10.6. From unit 11, it is 11.2, 11.5 and 11.6. So any section that you don't see on the screen, they have not so far come as answer for any past term and examination question paper. So I suggest focus on the high, medium and the low importance units and sections first, and then depending on how much time you have got, at least bare minimum read through the rest of the sections, so that if in case a question does come up from those sections for your examination, you will be able to write something, at least 5-6 marks you will be able to get from those, even from those essay questions. That way, just skim through after you are done with the high, medium and low priority sections. Okay. Now, before we wrap up, let me share a few quick tips on how you can write answers to make sure you get the most. My general rule of thumb is one for essay question, 1 page per 5 marks. So 20 marks essay question means I will write 4 pages. If your handwriting is very small and this page count doesn't make sense to you, you can go for 500 to 600 words as well. Also, while you're writing answers, make sure you start with an introduction, then move on to the main content, and finally end with a conclusion. Also, depending on your question, divide the main content into as many sections as is possible for you. Even if the question doesn't ask for example, include them. If it is possible, illustrate the key points using a diagram or use bullet points. So all of these methods, like having a section by section format, or including examples, or illustrating key points using a diagram or bullet points, or summarizing major points using a table, all of these are ways in which you can help the invigilator navigate your answer and thereby ensuring that you get the most marks. Okay, but that is only possible if you write the correct answer. Okay, otherwise it will be highlighting the wrong one so that they will be able to cross out easily. So make sure you have your concepts properly and then format it like this. In that case, the job of the invigilator will be easy and therefore they will be thankful to you for writing the exam answer like this, and you might get even brownie points, god knows, right? At least they will be happy to give you marks because it is easy for them to give you marks for the right points again. Okay, now if you get lucky, even you might find yourself in a position that previous year questions have been repeated, because IGNOU has a tendency to repeat the questions from past term and examination. So go through IGNOU website, download the previous year question papers, and try to solve as many questions as possible once you are done with the high, medium, and low importance sections and units. Okay, so this will give you a hang of how questions are framed, and also if in case a question repeats, it will become a lottery for us. Okay, rather than that, don't worry too much about the exact format of the question paper. You focus on the theory, you focus on the study material. Okay, that is it for the focused breakdown of MMPH 1. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and share this video with people you think may benefit from this. Subscribe to Anu's Classroom and enable notifications to never miss an update on the newer videos. If you want a downloadable version of the most important units of MMPH 1 that we discussed yet just now, you can scan the QR code that is shown on the screen. Happy learning and good luck with your exams.